Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll dive into React hooks. So React hooks dropped in React 16.8 and they completely change how we write components. Before hooks, we relied on class components to handle things like state or lifecycle methods. But now, hooks let functional components do all that and more. No need for classes. It's clean, simpler, and way more fun. And hooks make it super easy to reuse code. Instead of duplicating logic across components, you can bundle it into reusable hooks, keeping your code base dry and maintainable. So, what hooks are we talking about? React gives us a bunch of built-in hooks, like a state hook for managing state, what we will learn in this video, and effect hook for side effects like fetching data, lost the base at first time, contact hook for tapping into context, React memo and memo hook for optimizing performance, callback hook for memoizing functions, reducer hook for complex state logic, and custom hooks for creating your own reusable logic. We'll dive deeper into each of these in future videos. But for now, let's zoom in on the state hook. The one you use all the time is called useState. And lets you add state to functional components. In the source folder, let's create a new file and put the name for this one is count.js. And now create a component constant counter. And for now we will use the syntax, a different syntax to create a function. Okay, I'll not use a function keyword, just use constant, and after that the name of the component, and then use equal size for assigning, and use parentheses. With empty parentheses we indicate that this component does not have any properties. Okay, and then arrow. So you can also call this one is the arrow function. Okay, so in this functional component, we just return a very simple UI, just div, and inside div we just have a count text with something here inside, and we also have a button add, and for on click we will call a method. Alright, so we have a variable here to show, and we also have a method here to call. So now what we need to do is defining a useState or state hook. Create a constant use weight bracket. The first is the variable count, and then is the method to set the count, and equal useState. Okay, useState. This is the hook useState, and we can put 0 here for the starting of the count variable, and then in the count we can put the variable count here for showing, and then call the set count with the new count by a count with 1 unit, like this. Alright, and don't forget to export the counter outside default. Alright, and go back to the app. Now we use the counter component to show it on the app. Now run it. Alright, we have very simple UI here with just a count tag and then a tag for the count. When we click on the button add, the count number will be increased like this, and also so on. Do it like this. Okay, very easy, right? What do you think? Excited to hook up your React apps? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you.